damage, and Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Walker County in northwestern Georgia, northern Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia,
Okay, then.
before 15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I don't have my phone with me right now,
3:29
so...
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cloudland, or near Somerville, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Somerville, Tryon, Lafayette, Menlo, Center Post, Linwood, Cloudland, and Barrington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 to reach your report at Atlanta. And now your 7-day forecast for the
I don't know, pick it up.
WXT-48 listen.